If an error message like the one shown on the screen appears, an error occurred during calibration. Because calibration is a sensitive task that requires accurate position measurement, it is important to clean the inside of the milling room and install tools correctly. First, separate the jig lock to the jig holder. Check that the magnet cable screw of the calibration tool is tight. If in case it is loose, tighten it. Clean the inside of the entire chamber. Make sure that it is dry before calibrating, and clean the tool sensor area and the front, back, and sides of the holder thoroughly without any stains or dust. Press the collet button and then attach the short end of the calibration tool to the spindle. Press the collet button to lock it. Connect the magnet to the top. After calibration, please send pictures of the milling chamber and the calibration results to DOF support.